Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the Chao Thi Vin Tay Street at almost nighttime. We're gonna take a look what's new here. What has changed? Is there something new to eat? Oh, it looks, it's a chicken place, chicken and rice. We have some convenience stores here. How's the pavement situation? Not that good. Some people don't understand the system yet. Even though sometimes you actually see the signs like motorbikes here, and this is for walking. Parking, walking. But there's so much construction going on that it doesn't really make sense. This is new. Vet clinic. So it's a brand new vet. It's pretty much not possible to walk here. Let's try it out on the other side. It also, the air feels humid and dirty. It feels like there's a constant dirt particles in the air. That's how it feels. And you feel it in the eyes. I think it's because all the dust from the construction sites. It's like very important that it's gonna rain soon again. The rain is usually calming down the air pollution. Like all this here, all the sand. You feel it like in the air. Torino is very nice. Don't go there if you're on a diet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Even more here. Oh my god. Dude. There's some cookies. Oh my god. Gotta go fast here away. Bunda Mam Tom place is still open. That's very good to see. But other than that, there's so many construction sites here. So many new apartment buildings getting up here. But it's definitely not walkable here, anywhere. So this is what I think is the worst thing. You have mothers putting their strollers around on the street because the pavement is completely blocked. And nothing will change until someone will die at some point. And if it's like big enough of a story and it's going viral, maybe they will change something. But other than that, this is the perfect view here. Motorbikes and mother with their child on the stroller on the street. And this is also the street here that goes straight to the beach, guys. An Thuong. A lot of change going on here as well. A lot. Espresso and cocktail bar. Ooh, that's what I like. Interesting. That's also brand new. Okay, I will try out the espresso soon. Hi. Let's walk to the pickleball court. We're probably gonna see Marcus playing there. Wow, there's more and more self-service laundries. It's very unusual, because why would you want to do it yourself if you can pay someone? I don't understand. But maybe you do it a specific way and you don't have a laundry, like a washing machine at home. I'm wondering if they can actually do cooking, like 90 degrees Celsius washing, you know? Because many of those laundries here, they actually only, they're washed pretty cold. There's a very cute Doberman here. A very cute one. I don't see him. Damn it. Brouhaha. Empty. It's not empty. Some people sitting there. But it's weird. I don't understand why it's not more full. It was actually good. The few times I've been there, it was good. Oh wow. They removed all the gravel. So this here, in 1 month or 2 months, gonna be the best brunch spot in Vietnam. I'm just gonna do some propaganda, because I wanna always support my bros. But this is gonna be the best brunch spot in Vietnam. Just in 2 months. And it's gonna be the best looking one. Tremendous! Oh, check this out, guys. Oh, that's good. Hold on. Let's go over there. Check this out. Very stylish building, guys. I think they're gonna open up very soon. And it's gonna be very good. Like this here and this villa. And hi. But yeah, it's going to be very good looking. They already have electricity inside. So this is probably just a matter of weeks. Because it's open, the electricity is inside. You just have to unwrap the plastic and it's done. And this hotel also gets more into shape, at least from outside. Nothing downstairs yet, but I'm looking forward to see this hotel. Most likely when I come back from Hanoi. But yeah, I'm actually looking forward to Hoi An, Hanoi. I'm always messing this up. Hanoi. It's gonna be a good time in Hanoi. I'm wondering, what kind of videos do you want to see in Hanoi? Let me know in the comments. If you're watching until now, I will definitely make your videos what you want. I'm thinking about doing season 3 of Social Semi. I think first season was the foodie season, then the hotel season in Da Nang, and now it's coming Hanoi and the rest. And then we will see if I'm gonna come back to Da Nang or not. I will see. I'm pretty excited about next year when everything is done here. It might be very nice. Sausage sandwich. The thing is, every single city here is a lot of construction going on. I think Hanoi is even more than here at the moment. They're building the whole city new. But the area where I'm gonna move into Hanoi is actually already done. And there will not be construction because all the buildings are just built. So I'm pretty happy about that. But we will see. I'm looking forward to it. I want to see how the neighborhoods are there in the not so tourist areas as well, even though I'm going to be probably walking distance to the old quarters. So it's going to be good. Now let's see if we can find Marcus somewhere. If he's still playing. Where is Marcus? Ah, I see him. Oh, there are a lot of people now. I'm wondering how I can go there. What is he doing here? Maybe he's hot. Maybe I can walk there. There. Let's see if they actually can become a part of the World Cup. So it's a very interesting mix here. Marcus is German, she's Vietnamese, he's German, and his son is half Vietnamese, half German. But this is not his mother. So the mother is, I think, at home or so. And he's a tall guy. Usually Marcus is playing with 70-year-olds, but today he's a little bit younger people, huh? Are they all younger than you? Yes. Okay. So Marcus is playing with younger people today. But as you can see, in the evening it's packed here. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.